Mostly Recipes is a local-first recipe manager. It turns messy cooking pages into a clean, searchable collection that remains useful offline. Your recipes begin on your device, stay private, and never become another feed full of ads. A recipe can be imported, edited, organized, searched, printed, and used without depending on the original website. Mostly Recipes Chef AI, powered by GPT, can also recover structured recipes when ordinary parsing is not enough. Mostly Recipes currently synchronizes full library snapshots through Cloudflare R2 object storage. For Build Week, I used GPT 5.6 to help build its successor, Mostly Cloud Data, a shared, incremental sync platform for the entire Mostly family. This is Mostly Page, the first proving ground for the new platform. I'll update this dashboard on one client. The edit is saved locally first, pushed as an individual mutation, and pulled by the second client. Both devices converge without transferring their entire databases. Offline changes wait in a durable local outbox and replay after reconnection. Retries are idempotent, deletions propagate as tombstones, concurrent edits resolve deterministically, and outdated clients pause before they can damage newer data. GPT 5.6 was my engineering collaborator throughout this work. In the implementation codex task, I asked it to read the accepted rollout plan and begin building. It implemented the protocol, the SQLite durable object, the TanStack DB client adapter, tests, and documentation across the mono repo. I reviewed each change and challenged decisions around validation, shared utilities, locking, persistence, and offline transactions. GPT 5.6 revised the work and verified it against the full repository. Mostly Recipes helps you cook more and scroll less, with local-first ownership and cloud sync when you want it. Built with GPT 5.6 and Codex. Thanks for watching.